Some furniture tries too hard. Extra buttons, unnecessary curves, promises it cannot keep. The Homall Futon sofa bed does the opposite. It shows up quietly, does the job, and earns trust by not pretending to be something it's not. This is a modern Loveseat Futon built for real life. Small rooms, extra rooms, surprise guests, long evenings, and even aging dogs who deserve a throne of their own. At first glance, the design leans simple and vintage at the same time. The corduroy or linen fabric feels soft to the touch, not flashy, not cold. There's a calm confidence in its look, the kind that blends into a living room instead of demanding attention. It fits apartments, condos, spare rooms, and any space where every square foot matters. This sofa doesn't shout, it listens. The real strength shows when the futon starts moving. With a smooth push and pull motion, it transforms from love seat to lounger to full bed. No complicated levers, no wrestling match. The backrest adjusts from 120 to 180 degrees, which means upright for watching TV, laid back for gaming, or fully flat when sleep becomes the only honest option. The armrests adjust too, from flat to upright, creating a surprising amount of flexibility. Some keep them slightly raised for that real couch feel, others drop them completely for stretching out. It adapts instead of arguing. Comfort here is firm, honest comfort. The cushions are filled with memory foam that offers support rather than sink. This is not the kind of sofa that swallows you whole. Two adults can sit comfortably at the same time, which already puts it ahead of many small space options. In bed mode, the firmness becomes more noticeable. It won't replace a luxury mattress, but it does exactly what it promises. Provides a reliable sleeping spot for an overnight guest or a rare crash situation. For occasional use, it works well. For everyday sleeping, expectations should stay grounded. The construction feels reassuring. A solid wooden frame and sturdy wood legs support up to 500 pounds, and the futon feels stable when sitting, lying, or adjusting positions. There's no dramatic creaking, no sense that it might give up mid-movie. On hard floors, adding rubber anti-slip pads is a smart move to keep everything steady, but on carpet, it stays put just fine. This is furniture that knows it will be used and accepts the responsibility. Assembly is refreshingly simple. The legs are hidden in a pocket under the sofa, no scavenger hunt required. The cushions arrive vacuum compressed and need time to expand. Give them a gentle tap, some patience, and about 72 hours, and they regain their shape. Attach the legs, connect the cushions, and the job is done. Even those who dread assembly usually walk away surprised by how painless it is. There are small imperfections, and they feel human. A damaged box during delivery doesn't mean a damaged couch. Minor markings can happen, but the overall impression remains solid, especially considering the price. This futon understands its role. It's not trying to be luxury, it's trying to be dependable. And sometimes, dependable is everything. It becomes a reading spot, a movie seat, a guest bed, or even a dedicated couch for a senior dog who prefers life at a slight recline. It fits into daily routines without demanding attention, quietly doing what it was designed to do. The Homall Futon sofa bed is for people furnishing thoughtfully, not extravagantly. For those who value function, style, and reason over hype. It's not perfect, but it's honest. And in furniture, honesty lasts longer than trends.